Welcome to the Real News Extra. My name is Fred. I'm the operations manager here at Relaw APC. And joining me today is Jennifer Felten, the principal and founder of Relaw APC. So Jennifer, how do commission disputes happen, and what do brokers or agents need to do to protect themselves before a transaction closes?
So there are really kind of two core types of commission disputes that come up. One is where different people believe they represented the buyer. So the concept in real estate law is called procuring cause.
Right.
So there's a disagreement over who brought the buyer to the transaction.
Okay.
The second type is when a seller or buyer decide or believe that the agent hasn't performed properly and thus is not entitled to their compensation. So in both cases, if escrow is contacted by someone saying don't pay the commission or there's a dispute, they're put in a position where they have to make some decisions about what to do with that money.
Okay, so what is an interpleader action, and what do real estate professionals need to know before escrow files one?
Right. So if there is a dispute over money in either of these potential scenarios, the escrow company is not a trier of fact. They're not someone who can make a decision as to who's got the right claim, who's entitled to the money. And so there's a legal mechanism called an interpleader that allows the escrow company to take that money and give it to the court to let the court decide who's entitled to it. So an interpleader is a legal action.
Right.
It's slow.
Yes.
It's expensive.
Of course.
And the attorney's fees that are incurred by the attorney filing the interpleader are recoverable from the money that's being disputed.
Right.
So if you're in a dispute, if you can resolve it before an interpleader is filed, you're going to save yourself a lot of time, money, and effort.
Right. So let's say you are an agent or you're a broker and you find yourself in a commission dispute. What are some best first steps you should try before, so you don't actually trigger a court action?
Right. So negotiation and discussion, potentially a mediation.
Right.
These are all efforts that take time and money, but way less than a court action, and often can get these things resolved without the need to go to court.
Okay. Well, thank you. And thank you for joining us on the Real News Extra. If you're enjoying this content, I invite you to click on like or subscribe, and of course, ring that little bell for future notifications. My name is Fred. I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.